Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at the two ways how you can capture a screenshot with an S Pen. So the first thing that you want to do is get your S Pen out of your Galaxy device, and to use the gesture what you need to do is press on your S Pen, press and hold, and then start to air swivel. So what you do is this: you hold your pen facing towards you, and then you press and then swivel like that, and then you can see the phone will immediately take the screenshot. From here you can choose to save the screenshot by tapping on the save button down here, or you can choose to pen type. So you can choose the type of pen that you want to use, the color, and then in here you can start to use the S Pen screenshot. S Pen screenshot. Now the other way to take a screenshot is to assign a function to the side button right here on the S Pen. So what we want to do is you go into settings. So go into the S Pen settings, and then you tap on Air Actions. In Air Actions, we go down and tap on hold down pen button 2, and in here we're going to choose screen write. Now by default this has been set to camera, so you want to go in here and choose screen write, and then from the screen that you want to take the screenshot, you press and hold on the side button right here, press and hold, and then your phone should take a screenshot. And you can see this will allow you to take a screenshot without you having to scribble with your pen. And that's it. So those are the two different methods that you can use to take a screenshot with your S Pen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.